Hello, Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your war chef at wareva.com. Today we are going to make ulta biryani. The other day we were having biryani at home and me and my son were discussing about how they write Arabic language ulta. That is, we write our language from left to right. These guys write from right to left. So he was generally joking and asking, do they make their biryani also ulta? I said, yes, they do really make their biryanis ulta. So today we are going to make Indianized version of that makluba, that is ulta biryani. When you make this biryani with these potatoes, eggplant, cauliflower, of course with the chicken, it tastes good. So for this preparation, first take chicken, like same like our biryani, take little bigger pieces. In this, add some garam masala, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, and then add some oil and mix it properly. And as I always tell you, keep it marinated overnight in the refrigerator so that the chicken becomes nice and tender, and when you eat your biryani or makluba, whatever you call them, ulta biryani, it tastes really nice and tender. So here in a pan, actually I added some oil in the chicken, but still I am going to add very little oil just to coat the bottom of the pan, and now add the chicken which has been marinated overnight and spread the chicken into a thin layer. Now look at this, it formed a perfect layer without any gap. On this, just drop in the vegetables and just make a layer of these vegetables. These are potatoes which have been fried, it's good, and then put eggplant also. It's up to you, you can add eggplant or you can just make it with cauliflower, but I am going to use all of them. Wow, this is already looking good. And then cauliflower. Now on this, spread this basmati rice. We are going to pour the stock on top of this and cook, but in the stock make sure there is good amount of salt. So now take chicken stock and add salt. Just like our biryani, we want to make sure that this mixture is slightly salty, otherwise the rice will not be tasty. Now pour this hot stock on top of this rice and let this water cover this rice exactly. Now because I measured the rice versus water, for 1 cup of rice you need to take 2 cups of water, in this case the stock. So here I have taken 1 cup of rice in which I added 2 cups of stock, and this is perfect. And when you do this measurement, you cannot go wrong, and this will be cooked perfectly. Rice is at the top, the chicken is at the bottom, in between are the vegetables. We are going to cook this for 15 minutes on a slow flame. Just keep watching, the rice on the top will be cooked perfectly. That's when the ulta biryani will be ready. After you pour the stock in, slowly the masalas, the red masalas will be coming onto the top to flavor the rice. Now after few minutes of cooking, for this you do not mix the rice, so just take the spoon and press with the wooden spoon like this so that the water floats on the top again, and it will help the rice cook on top too. Make sure you put the lid, that way the rice on the top will be cooked nicely. Now we are going to let this cook for the first 5 minutes on a high flame, then we are going to remove this handi, put a tawa, and then we are going to cook it for total time of 35 to 40 minutes. Now you look at this, how wonderfully, once you open the lid, you can see by the look of the grains itself, the rice is cooked perfectly. But ये उल्टा पुल्टा बिरयानी, अरबी बिरयानी, मकलूबा बिरयानी बनाते बनाते बड़ा मुकाबला हो गया, ऊपर पसीना हो गया, नीचे चड्डी गीला हो गया, but हम बनाया, we have made the biryani of, and we have to put it upside down to see how this biryani has come out. Now making this biryani upside down is a challenge. Take a nice big plate like this and put it on top and carefully turn it upside down. Look at this makluba. Even Arabis can't make the makluba like I made, and looking at it, my God, today I am going to have a feast with this awesome salan I made. Dear friends, you know, this makluba, which is ulta biryani, has made my kopdi also ulta, but this looks so awesome. And look at this. Look at this, along with our Hyderabadi onion ka salan. Dear friends, I have to taste it and tell you how it is. Look at this rice, you know, so nicely cooked. Wow. Ah, ha, ha. Wow. With this salan, this is amazing. You know, whether they make this very popularly in Palestine or anywhere, but this ulta biryani, guys, take it as a challenge and make it, and this is super awesome. And wow, this is fantastico. Wow. Dear friends, you know, make it, because I'm sure you will enjoy this eating as much as I am enjoying eating it. But do not forget, Vareva is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips at vareva.com so others can benefit from your great cooking. I'm going to look at these potatoes. The eggplant, the cauliflower. Wow, so nice. Wow. You know, the makluba is so good. जो नहीं खाएगा उसका मुंह खाला. तो बनाओ, घर में खाओ, दबा के खाओ.